All right. So, but it's probably the last one at the 2026 Twin City Auto Show here. I think it's the sixth one, but anyways, it's been fun. It's not as big as it used to be, like I said, but it is what it is. I did like those cars in the last video, but I was talking to somebody else, a couple of girls, ladies over here. She's got pretty gorgeous, probably her late 70s. Oh. She was single. Oh my goodness. She was a sweetheart. But anyways, so we're gonna kind of cruise along here. But Tucson Buick. When the 2008 crash, they got rid of the Oldsmobiles. They got rid of Saturn, which I really liked. So, the big bad boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, professional made. What do you think, young man? 91,000? I'll take this over some of the other ones. These are nice. I don't need the diesel. Just give me gas.
Sure.
I like cab and a half. That's why I love it, but I don't need that diesel. They put Allison transmissions in these things. Yeah. That's why they last.
Right.
Me and you would start a transmission business. We'd call it bulletproof.
Yeah.
That's what we call it, bulletproof.
Yep.
That's why you get it. Give me gas and give me the Allison. I don't need the diesel. From just driving, pulling your RV, you don't need a diesel. Because if we get it fixed, you just can't go to Johnny's little auto place. You know, it's a nice vehicle. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I get if you're construction and you're not paying for it, fine. But I don't like a vehicle that you're afraid to in the wintertime won't start. God, it's huge. This is the ultimate beast right here. Cab and a half gas. I'll take it. Professional made, man. You betcha. We are professional, Greg. You're damn right. Solid as a rock. Tahoe. Those are nice. There's a Denali over here. I think this is probably, I don't know if it's still diesel or not. Let me see. 75,000. I don't know if it's what it is, if it's gas or not. I can't tell. I don't know. F1500 V8, supercharged, hands-free, assistant. I don't know. But still, it's a nice vehicle. It's trying to get away from that square, making it look a little nicer. Your good side? There she is.
I'm trying to win free gas for a year.
I'll try. I'll come back later when I'm done here, okay? Free gas for a year. That'd be nice. Nice red. Go ahead. You're okay.
Thank you.
This is a nice GMC. Yeah, I don't think I'll need to go anything after this one, so. Oh, I love that blue. Oh my word. Love the interior. Heck yeah. This, I don't know, no room in there, but still nice, don't get me wrong. I'm gonna take a gas vehicle. I'm not getting on electric. I get it, if you want it for a little bit, I get it, but not a chance. Oh, they got the dogs here. That's a nice little two-seater. Oh, look at the low dogs. Yeah, it's all kinds of puppy dogs. All kinds of fun stuff. So you get over here, and you've got your. They have that Dodge thing over there. You ride the Dodge vehicle. I don't need to do that. Subaru makes good vehicles. They do. But nice. A lot of black and white ones. Look at this Genesis one. Jesus. Mm-hmm. Bad. Can't really see inside there, but it's a gangster one right there. I like that white right here. The Defender. You're damn right. When Danny Hecker, the little criminal he was, when he was around, he would have a really cool area. He's in jail, I think, or he's out. Luther, they're big in town. There's those. That's a nice vehicle. Just don't like the back of that, but still I get it. Nice. They have hot tubs over here. They have beds. I don't blame them. Why not? When people are here, you can maybe sell a few. So we'll make our way over here. You can see. They're always trying to sell hot tubs in this town. You can tell. I get that. I get the ones you can swim in. $14,000. They're always having sales. Jacuzzis. Next neighbor had one, he took it out. You understand? It was beautiful. How's it going, boys? So what do you guys do here? You guys have Hot Wheels and stuff? I remember the old days when they were really, now you just churn them out, you know? Now you just churn them out, it's a shame. I have some old Hot Wheels ones. Yeah, it's too bad. God. Yeah, it's not like it used to be. Now you just churn them out. Hot Wheels galore. A lot of setup time. Nissan. They make a good vehicle as well. That's the Jeep over there. We're gonna get in the Rams here. They used to have their own spot. Nissan Forester. Here we go. As long as they can fix their transmissions on these things, I'd buy one, but heavy duty F-250. Nice. They make good engines, the Dodge brothers. Look at that bad boy. Nice. What do they want for this pig? 67,000, not bad. They have the other ones over here. Warlock, that looks nice. See, the gas mount's a joke. 62,000. It's a nice one, nice Ram. 1,500. Smile when you caught one of those Fiats, not a chance. It's too bad they don't need more classic cars here, but. We'll go over here, I'll show you the I gotta get away from the music here. But that's a nice one. So they have the It's a nice color.
I stayed away from that place. I thought something nice.
60,000. Nice Purple Rain, baby. All right, so here we are. Is the end here. Hope you enjoyed the 53rd Annual Twin City Auto Show 2026. 53rd annual. I'm trying to see over here. Anyways, guys, you go up and down, you wait in line to drive up and down, so to me it's not worth it. Trying to work our way back over here. We'll end this fiasco. Next one will be the RV show. It's free to get in. Go next week. Glad I got here. The car wouldn't start. And leave my lights on, get my tooth pulled. Everything worked out fine in the long haul. So, anyways, another point and shoot. It's a nice one. Look at that color. Test drive. I'm not going to test drive anything. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I had the time of my life. We'll see you guys in the next adventure. Peace out.